have the E major scale, which is the 5th scale in this series of piano scales for beginners. If you didn't learn the first 4, it will be helpful to do so. However, it is not necessary. You just might have a little bit of a hard time following along, as we have been adding black keys slowly and steadily, and now we have 4 of them. Let's find out what the new one is. Since we are starting on E, as always, the new black key is right below our starting note, and that's going to be D sharp, which is like D, but a little bit higher. And as of course, we are going to start with the right hand, which uses the same fingers as C. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the pinky. Let's go through that together. Ready? With the first 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Look out for that D sharp. And then 1, 2, 3. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the pinky. And backwards. 3, 2, 1. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. Then 3, 2, 1. Okay, if you need to go over that again, then go back to the beginning of the video and do so, or pause to work it out by yourself, and then come back here so we can play it smoothly. Welcome back if you left. Otherwise, we are going on. Let's try this one slowly and smoothly. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, thumb again. Here's the D sharp. Thumb. We're going to end here with the pinky. 3, and then 4. Alright, let's go over the left hand, which has the same fingers in the same order, and we are going to have the new note, the D sharp, right away, starting on the same E. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, and then the thumb again, all the way to the 4th finger, and now the thumb, and thumb, all the way to the pinky, every finger, and backwards, 4, then 3, then 4, then 3. Alright, pause the video or go back to do that one slowly on your own, and then let's come back and see if we can do it smoothly together. Here we go. Ready, set, go. Alright, if that was easy, then, as I said before, you're probably getting better at this. It's also the 5th scale, so this is about the time when students really start to get the hang of it. They have a bunch under their fingers already, and they're more confident, and so we're moving a little bit quicker, and I just had some coffee, so I might be going a little bit quicker, and that's okay. Let's try the 2 hands together. Starting on the same E, of course, we will go through this slowly, finger by finger, and then we will try it smoothly. First 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the pinky. And then 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1, and then 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, did you notice something? I noticed it. We start off with a white key, and then we have a black key in both hands, and then a black key in both hands, and then a white key, then a white key, then a black key, then a black key, then a white key. In fact, this is the only scale where we get to play white keys and black keys at the same time, except for C, which has only white keys, so there's no real choice. Coincidentally, it just sort of fits together that way, and it doesn't work that way with any other scale, to the best of my knowledge, which I know them all, so there probably isn't one. Let's try that smoothly, starting on the same E. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. Alright, if you were able to follow along with this coffee-fueled scale extravaganza, then congratulations, you've made it through 5 scales, and we'll be ready to move on to the next scale after a quick review test quiz type thing, which will be the next thing in this playlist, possibly. If you got this and you enjoyed it and you learned something today, then please like and subscribe and share this with all of your piano playing friends. And, as of course, always, have a great the rest of your day.